I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America
and to the republic
for which it stands,
one nation, under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good afternoon, JHS. I'm Keaton Burke.
And I'm Eric Wilson, bringing you your video announcements.
This year's annual Spring Fever Reliever went off without a hitch. Students enjoyed activities like dodgeball, minute-to-win-it challenges, Jackson Idol, and even King of the Hill jousting.
Students had the chance to team up and go head-to-head in dodgeball, volleyball, football, and even Super Smash Brothers. Activities and competitions ran all day. Junior Carter Thomas won the Smash tournament. Here's a clip of the final game.
Recently, our drama club performed 2 plays, The Murderous Mansion and Mr. Uno, directed by Andy Hoff, and The Velveteen Rabbit, directed by Tyler Brott. Senior drama club member Nick Bixler performed his humorous interpretation titled Cable News is on It, in between the headline performances. Here's a quick clip of Nick's performance.
I'm standing here in front of the White House that you can see behind me. We also have no information regarding the situation that has happened, other than to say something reportedly has.
This February, our French club celebrated Mardi Gras with its own spin on the holiday. Club members enjoyed French-themed food and activities during the party. Ever thought about joining one? Clubs are a great way to get to know each other and branch out.
Now, the question of the day. What is petrichor? Is it A, the smell of earth after rain? B, a type of acrylic paint? C, the smell after you iron your hair? Or D, a design for a cobblestone path? And now let's give it over to the Weather Center.
Welcome to the Weather Center. I'm your senior meteorologist, Jordan Little. Did you know that Missouri has had some of the largest tornadoes in U.S. history? And according to the Fujita scale, the highest category for a tornado is an F5, which means that the winds of the tornado have reached more than 200 miles per hour. This category of tornado can be anywhere between 1 to 4 miles wide. And that's why we've provided some tips and tricks for you surviving tornadic activity. Like, if you have a basement, get in there. And if you're near a window, get out of there. And also, if you're in a car, what the heck are you doing? Leave now and hide in a low-lying ditch. And now for your 4-day forecast. On Tuesday, May 10th, there will be a shower in the morning with a high of 77 and a low of 59. On Wednesday, May 11th, it will be sunny, which will then be followed by clouds with a high of 78 and a low of 52. On Thursday, May 12th, there will be a shower in the afternoon with a high of 73 and a low of 55. And on Friday, May 13th, it'll be a little rainy in the afternoon again with a high of 74 and a low of 57. Oh no! A Fast and Furious torrent of air has flown in! I'd better take evasive action to the nearest glass building or basement! Back to you!
Be safe out there, Jordan.
Wow. I hope he's okay.
He'll be all right. And now for some library news. Seniors, you must have all books turned in and fines paid before you are able to graduate. Pay all fines to Mrs. Peters by the front desk by May the 12th, and all non-library fines paid by May 17th to the front office.
For you sophomores and juniors interested in the summer reading program, see Mrs. Roach or Mrs. Peters for more information.
JHS has a few pretty busy weeks ahead, including Pop Concert beginning on Thursday, May 12th through Saturday, May 14th, Baccalaureate on Sunday, May 15th, and graduation on May 20th.
And now, we will pass it over to the Sports Center.
Hello, welcome to the Sports Center. I'm Bailey Kimner. Our sports team have had a great year. Many of our athletes have received scholarships, awards, and recognition for their outstanding performances. In football, senior defensive back Bo Brady won the Birdsworth Character Award. Also, receiver Jeremy Elliott won second in team All-State, setting a record for recorded receptions, receiving yards, and receiving touchdowns. The Jackson girls cross-country team got fourth in state for the first time since '03. You go, girls! In swimming, junior Jack Gard went to state in the 500 freestyle. Freshman Faith Littleton went to state in the 200 and 500 freestyle. And Sydney Dinicky went to state in diving. Caitlin Palmer went to state and placed 16th in the 50 freestyle and 8th in the 100 butterfly. Two members of the track and cross-country signed letters of intent, Chelsea Drum with Ole Miss and Alex Phillips with Central Missouri. Recently, our track team went to the prestigious Kansas Relays. Gabe Dudley, Alex Phillips, Joe Reed, and Caleb Best had an amazing run, placing second in the 4x800 meter dash. And now, let's look at some sports highlights from this year. Now for some upcoming events. Golf sectionals will be held May 9th and May 10th. On the 9th, there is a JV girls soccer game at 4:30 versus Melville at home. There is a baseball game at 4:15 p.m. on May 10th in Festus. There is a girls soccer game at 5 p.m. on the 11th. They will be playing Carbondale at home. On May 12th at 4 p.m. there are JV and varsity baseball games versus Perryville at Legion Field and Herzog Stadium. Track varsity districts are on May 14th. And finally, on May 16th, Gulf State is at Silo Ridge Golf and Country Club in Bolivar, Missouri. That's all from us here in Sports Center. Now back to you.
Thanks, Bailey.
And now, a quick congratulations to Jackson High School's newly elected student body president and vice president, Randa Norman and James Ward.
Recently, our Wind Symphony competed at Chicago and received the Best Ensemble and Festival Award. Senior Bailey Lape was recognized as an outstanding soloist.
This year, the SEMO Regional Science Fair included senior Blake Goman and junior Matthew Schneider's project, placing first among 12 in the senior division.
And now for a short video by Mrs. Wilson's third hour video production class. And now for the answer of the question of the day. What is petrichor? If you guessed A, the smell of earth after rain, you are correct.
And now for some upcoming final dates and hours. On Wednesday, seniors will take their 7th and 8th hour finals. Thursday, 4th and 5th hour finals. And Friday, May 13th, will include 1st, 2nd, and 3rd hour finals.
Juniors and sophomores will take their 1st and 7th hour finals on Tuesday, May 17th. Wednesday will include 2nd and 8th hour finals, and Thursday with 3rd, 4th, and 5th hour finals to wrap up the school year. Well, JHS, that's it for today. I'm Eric Wilson.
And I'm Keaton Burke, wishing you a safe and happy summer.
Go Indians!